Hi everyone, welcome to Couples Tech Byte. In today's video, we will learn a trick to hide text in Excel without hiding the column or coloring the text to white. So let's see how we can achieve. So as you can see in front of us, we have some text written in different cells. We wanted to hide it. So there are multiple ways you can do. One is you need to select the column, do the right click and you can hide this field. Once you do this, all the values, so this column will get hidden. We'll do a control Z. Now, other way, let's see how we can achieve easily. So we will select the text we wanted to hide and then we'll go to home page and we'll go to this number section and click on this number format cursor you can see here. So once you click there, we'll go to custom and here as you can see type. In your case, it might come as written as general. So here what you will do, you will type colon 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 and just click OK. So as you can see, all the text get hidden. But if you see in the formula bar, values are coming. So if you see in this cell, USA is there, in this cell, UAE, China, Canada, Russia, and UK. In the formula bar, you can see the value, but in the in the cells, it's hidden. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.